Alrighty guys, what's up? So I'm gonna do a little toolbox tour of my Snapon box, and one reason why I wanted to do this is just because this toolbox and everything in it kind of means a lot to me, because literally like every tool in there has been either I paid for myself, I got for my birthday or Christmas gifts when I was a kid, or my dad or my grandpa gave to me. So it's just one of those things, kind of cool. So I think it's cool. Hopefully you guys feel the same way. If not, oh well. So I'm just gonna do a quick one. I'm not gonna go into super detail like I've seen anyone else do. But so from all the red stuff is standard, and all the gray stuff is metric. All the stuff in the little holders, like these little red and gray ones, are Snapon. Yeah, it's so it's in the store is either Snapon, Mac, Cornwell, and Matco. So it's pretty cool. So here's my wrenches. And all my wrenches are either Snap-on, SK, or gear wrench. So this is all my standard. It's all Snap-on, either new or the old style. Like I have, let's see here, a good wrench for example. It doesn't really matter, but these are like the older style. And then you have your newer style. So it's a standard, metric, standard. It's crescent wrenches, crow's feet. There's a fan tool in there. So here's my screwdrivers. I don't have a lot of screwdrivers, but I get the job done. Pliers. Kind of like a specialty, not specialty, but it's more of a random drawer. Like I have my one little gear puller there, spanner nut wrenches, my dirt bike tire iron, piston ring compressor. This is kind of cool. I'll just point this out real quick. This is a clutch alignment tool. It's made out of wood, but I've had this thing forever, and I literally have not found a transmission or a motor or clutch that this doesn't work for. It's got different sizes. Mostly this one you can tell, but that's because that's for Chevys, I guess, and that's mostly what I do. And this drawer is kind of like whatever's in a box kind of drawer. Got O-rings in that corner, my electrical connectors, below it's a puller, inch-pound torque wrench, dial indicator. I think that's a flare nut tool, like for brake lines, flaring things. Carter keys, another dial counter. I can't even pronounce right now. Dial indicator. Dial indicator, dial indicator, dial indicator. Drill bits, timing line. Here is all my big wrenches. I have my 3/8 blue point gun, my Ingersoll half-inch gun, Ingersoll 30/4, half-inch torque wrench, my hydraulic gear puller. I think I'm doing a video just on this thing. See if anybody's ever seen something like this, because this thing is one bad mamma jamma right here. This is a hydraulic puller. So you put it on there like a normal puller to get tension, and this little ram, it I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty much, but as you twist it, just like that, it goes out. And it goes very slow, and it only goes out about half an inch. That is. But I mean, it's weird. Like one finger will pull off damn near anything. It is. My dad gave me this, and I never thought I would use it. but I mean, I was pulling off a harmonic balancer off a motor that was literally, it was solid. Like if I already stripped my normal one, harmonic balancer puller, so I busted out that thing, and it will put you this way. I used a socket as a spacer, and it was a Craftsman socket, and it crushed it. That's how much power that thing, and I'm only using 2 fingers. Not to do that. Here's a coolant drive set. There's my coolant system. Pressure tester deal. My ratchet doors. Not too many in here. There's tools out right now, but if you're wondering why I have so many Craftsman 1/2-inch ratchets, because when I was a kid, my mom and dad and everybody used to buy me Craftsman tool kits because I used to make those tools. So, pry bars, nut drivers, punches, and random drill bits. Here's my calipers. They're all Starrett. One of the little boxes, those are calipers, little mini calipers in there. Those are drill bits in 1/1000ths, or in, whatever. They're not like, you know, 3/16ths. They say thousandths. I don't know, I just put them in there. Here's my hammer drill. My hammer, I don't really have that many, but I don't think you need a lot of those. So yeah, this is oh, by the way, those are Ingersoll, Impact Ingersoll too. But this is just my go-to toolbox. Literally everything I need to do, I go in here and I have it for the most part. If not, I have 2 other toolboxes I'll go in that are my dad's, and he's got all the specialty tools. Really quite fortunate on that, just because my dad used to own a tool store. If you don't believe me, here's his Bill Hinton tools right there. But it is pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if I said any foul language on here, I apologize. I cuss like a sailor. I try to keep it clean. That's my best as I can. But hopefully, if you guys want to see a more in detailed video, just let me know. And or if you want to see that video on that puller, go find something to yank off. Should demonstrate its power. But yeah, well, see you guys later.